Okay, so today we are discussing unit of time. Unit of time the biggest unit of time is year. In 1 year, according to the picture, you can come to know that you can see that which is the biggest. This is the sign of biggest. In the biggest thing, all things can come, like we can put all things inside it. But the second is the smallest unit. How you come to know the biggest and smallest? This is the easiest way to learn by heart, because the kids are facing a lot of problem. I was getting a lot of queries regarding this, so that's why I was making a video of this. So the biggest unit is year. If the kids have a problem to learn by heart, when they will see this picture, they will easily understand. Okay, so this is the one of the most easiest way I have found. Year is the biggest unit, and the second is the smallest unit of time. Okay, so you can see that why this is the smallest unit. Here you can see through the diagram, you can see that we cannot put anything, but here you can see that this is the biggest unit and we can put all these things inside it. 1 year is equal to 12 months. In 1 year we have 12 months. How many months we have in 1 year? 12 months. And we have how many weeks we have in 52 weeks. And how many days in 1 year? 365 days. Okay, 365 how many days in a week, in a year? 365 days. 365 means 365 days in 1 year. Okay, and how, again repeat it again, how many weeks in a month? 52 weeks in a month. And how many months? 12 months in a year. Understand?
Yes.
So the biggest unit is year. Then the second biggest unit is month. Month is the second biggest unit. I made this shape like this so that you will understand easily. This is the biggest unit. We can put all these things, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, seconds, everything into it. Okay, and in a month, how many weeks we have? In a month, after the month, we have the third biggest unit is week. And how many weeks we have in a month? 4 weeks in a month. And how many days in a month? 30 or 31 days, except February. Learn by heart the days of February contains only 30 days, only 28 or 29 days. Okay, but you can write 28 and 29 days. But how do you come to know which year? Wait, which month has 30 days and which month has 31 days? How we come to know? This is the most easiest way for the students. They can learn easily that which month is contains 30 days and which month contains 31 days. We will start from here. This is January, and this one is
this will come on 30 and this will come on 31.
When this is, we are, if it is in the bone, on the bone, then this contains 31 days. And the month which is here, which will come here, go here between two fingers, it will called the 30 days month. Okay, except February. February contains only 28 days. So this is January. February we know that how many days in a Feb? 28. Okay, and March. So this March is coming here on 31. The bone. This has 31 days. Then April is coming here. So it means how many days?
30
days. And this is
31.
April. After April, what will come? May.
May.
Okay, so
May is 30.
31 days. Okay, now after May, what will come? June. So June is coming here. So how many days in
30,
a June? 30 days. And here after June, what will come?
July.
July is a how many days in a July? 31 days. Because July is coming on the bone. So when the month is coming on the bone, then this is called the 31 days. Okay. After
If it is not,
July we have
if
August.
it is not coming on the bone, it is 30.
30 days. Okay, now after July, which month is this? After July, which month is this? August. So August is coming on the bone. So what does it mean? 31 days. It means July and August is coming. July and August both months have 31 days. Okay. Again we will start from the bone of the second hand. Now August, after August, September. So September is coming here. It contains
30 days.
30 days. And now
November.
September. After September is
November.
October. So October contains 31 days. And after October, which month is November? So then 30 days, because the November is coming here. After November, which month is this? December. And the December is the last month of the year. It contains 31 days. Okay, because it is coming on the bone. So through this counting, you can come to know easily that which month contains 30 days and which month contains 31 days. But remember that February contains 28 days. Okay. Now the biggest unit we have already known that the biggest unit of the time is year. And the second biggest unit of the time is month. In the month, how many weeks we have? 4 weeks. And how many days we have? 30 days. Very good. And the third biggest unit of time is
day.
Third biggest unit of time is week. Because week contains how many days? Week contains 7 days. In 1 week we have 7 days. If you forgot at the time of working that how many days in a week, so you can count Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, sorry. So how many days are there? We can count on the finger as well, like this: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So how many are there? Total 7 days. So total 7 days. So if you forgot the days of the week, so you can just count Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many days in a week? 7 days. After week, the fourth biggest unit of the time is day. In a day, how many hours we have? 24 hours. After day, which unit will come? Hours. And we have 24 hours. But you will say that clock only contains 12. But in the clock we can see that only we have 12 numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 means 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. It means it is written 12 hours. So we can say, or kids can be confused that this is 12 every clock contains only 12 hours, but it is saying that days contain 24 hours. It means 12 hours in a daytime and 12 hours in a night time. 12 hours in a daytime, and after when the 12 hours completed, the night time started, and this is called 12 hours in the night time. So 12 plus 12 become
For 24.
24. So total hours in a day are 24. 12 in a night time and 12 in a daytime. I can also write here 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12 I've also written like 12 hours day and 12 hours of night. Daytime and night time. So total hours, how many hours total? 24 hours. So one day contains, because one day contains day and night both time. Okay, so this is contains 24 hours. How many hours in a day? 24 hours. And in 1 hour, how many minutes we have?
60 minutes.
And in 1 minute, how many seconds we have? 60 seconds. And now you can see according to the diagram, if you will keep this diagram in your mind, then it will be very, very easy to solve so many questions regarding this. Like we have to be given the different we have to given different times, and we have to arrange them shortest to longest unit, longest to shortest unit. Then what we will follow this diagram. We will solve all the questions with the help of this diagram, that 60 seconds contain minutes, and minutes is a second is the smallest unit. So if anybody is asking to you that which is the smallest unit, and if this diagram is in front in your mind, then you can easily tell that this is the second is a smallest unit. And we know that smallest thing, in a smallest thing we cannot put anything, but in the biggest thing we can put many things. Okay,
Everything.
so that's why I have made this type of diagram to remove this type of confusion. And with the help of this diagram, you just go through this diagram daily basis, and just go through this diagram, so that you will slowly and gradually you will learn more about it, and it will be in your mind. Okay, now the smallest if it is coming that is smallest to shortest, so which one is the smallest? Second, minute, hours, day, week, and then
Last
month,
week,
and then year. Okay,
Yes.
though this is the way to learn. Here I have also made in this way as well, that year is the biggest unit. In the year, three things are coming, like 12 months and 52 weeks. How many weeks in 1 year? 52 weeks. And how many days in 1 year? 365 days. And in a month, the two things are coming, week and day. After month, which unit is this? Week. After month, the week is the biggest unit. So week, we have how many weeks we have in 1 month? 4 weeks. And how many days in 1 month? 30 or 31 days. Okay, and I have told you that how you come to know that which month contains 30 days and which month contains 31 days. When I was a child, my father told me this trick, and still it is in my mind, and hope this trick you will also find this a very useful trick, that how we come to know that which month contains 30 days and which month contains 31 days. Because if we are looking anything practically, it will be saved in our mind over a long time. My father was a director of finance director, and he, because of his name, I have started this academy. This is Jawadul Manzoor Foundation, and most of the time I'm giving you So he was a very generous person, and his dream is to educate the people. His dream was educate and give the education, give the medical facilities to the student, to everyone without any fee. His dream was to educate the people throughout the world without any fee. So in the future we are also having a plan to start any clinic which will be named as a tele clinic. So there will be doctor will suggest and give the suggestion, and they will consult the free of cost. They will provide the free of cost consultancy, and we are planning to this, and let's see what will happen. Okay, now come back to the point. So now you have come to know that how many days in a month? How many days in a month? How many days in a month? How many days in a month?
30
or 31 days in a month. Okay, and how many weeks in a month? In a week, how many days in a week? After week, the time unit is day, and in a day how
4
many
weeks.
how many days in a week?
7 days.
7 days in a week. If you I have also told you that if you forgot to mention that how many days in a week, you can learn by heart with the help of with the you can count in your finger: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And like this I have already told you. I just I am repeating this thing though, so that you cannot forget. Okay, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So how many days in a week?
7.
7 days in a week. Okay, and how many are okay, after day we have which unit we have? Hour. And how many hours in a day?
24 hours.
24 hours in a day. 12 hours in night time and 12 hours in a daytime. And how many minutes in a
60 minutes.
60 minutes. And how many seconds we have in a minute? 60 seconds. Now you can see, and you can just remember this diagram as well, so that it will be very useful again. Because look, after second we cannot add anything, so means it is the smallest unit of the time. And year we have added, we have a lot of space because year is a big. We have added months, weeks, days. Then we have added in months we can also add week and days. In a day we can add hours. In a hours we can add minute, and in minute we can add second, but in second we cannot add anything. So this is the least unit of the time. Understand up to now everything?
Yes.
Okay, so this diagram will helpful to you. I will give you the PDF of this as well, so that you can take the printout of it, and then you can also take benefit of this. Now we are learning the unit of time. So unit of time is we know that we have 12 hours in a day. In the analog, how can we write a time? We will learn in this lesson how can we write the time in analog and digital form. This is the analog form, and this is called analog clock, and this is the digital form, and we write the number in a digital. Okay, fine. So this is analog and this is digital. Understand? And after that it is very easy to write clock. That there are three needles.
Yes.
Three needles you have seen. One is
second needle. Minute.
Yeah, a small needle in your clock. Small needle is showing hours, and big needle is showing minutes. Okay, and in if we are writing in a digital, first we will write hours and then we will write minutes. Okay,
Yes.
so and this is very easy to write the hours, but the students are facing a lot of problem in a quarter to, quarter past, half past, and half to. So we should, today we are learning this thing. Okay. Okay, now we have the clock in which we are learning the hours. Okay, now the unit of time, which is very important, and we will discuss in the book, learner book and learner's book, and the workbook as well. And I will show you other few other examples as well. But right now, just clear your concept that how we have to write the time. Okay, this is the analog clock. You can see this is the analog clock and this is a digital clock. In analog clock, how we and how we come to know that what time it is, these needle are telling us, because there are three needles basically in analog clock. Two are big needle and
One is a
two are big needles and one is a small needle. The big needle, one big needle is showing the minute and one another big needle is showing the
hour.
seconds, and the small needle in the analog clock is showing the minute. But because in our unit, in this unit, just we have to learn the hours and minutes, so that's why I have drawn two needles only, so that the students cannot get confused. Fine. This the small needle is towards 2 and the big needle is on 12. It means what time it is? What time it is? If it is the small needle is on 2 and big needle is on 12, so it means 2 o'clock. And how we write in digital? We will write in digital clock, we will write like this. First we will write in digital clock, first we will write hours, then minutes, and then second, because the biggest unit is hour, then minutes, and then second. So as I have told you that we are not learning the seconds, so only I have written hours and minutes. Okay, 0 minutes and 2 hours, 2 hours 0 minutes, so this is 2 o'clock. Fine. Here in analog it is written and here it is written in digital. In both ways we have to learn. Before the unit I am discussing this one to clear your concept, so that after that we will discuss the complete unit in a workbook, learner's book, and other example I will also show to you. Okay, fine. Up to now you have cleared the another example is here also. This is the small needle is on 8 and the big needle is on 12. So what time it is?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. This is the analog. Again I am telling to you, this is analog
Digital.
clock and this is digital clock. Okay. In analog we are showing with the help of the needles. The small needle is on 8 and the big needle is on 12. It means 8 o'clock. If the small needle will be on 7, then it will be 7 o'clock. If the small needle is on 6, then 6 o'clock. If the small needle is on 9, then if the small needle is on 9, then 9 o'clock. If the small needle is on 10, then 10 o'clock. But the big needle will be on only on 12. Okay. After that, this is called minutes. 1, 2, 3. In minute, we will count 1, we will count it 5. Okay. So here I'm giving you a tip that how you learn that this is 5 minutes, this is 10 minutes, this is 15 minutes. Learn by heart the table of 5, which will help to you to understand the about the minute, that 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, this is 10 minutes, 5 threes are 15, this is 15 minutes, 5 5 fours are
Right here.
5 fours are 20, this is 20 minutes, 5 fives are 25, this is 25 minutes, 5 six are 30, this is 30 minutes, 5 sevens are 35, this is 35 minutes, 5 8 is a 40, and 8 when we the big needle is on 8, it means this is 40, and 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 55, 11
I will tell. 55.
55, and when the big needle will be on 12, then this is ours is completed. Okay, so we will write 0 0, and the needle is on 8, it means there this is full hour, 8 hour. When the big needle will be on 5, so it will be 8 hours and 5 minutes. Okay, so understand about it. I will also write the 5 table here so that you will guys understand more. So in this way you can learn here that we will read the table of 5. 5 is equal to 5, 5 1 is equal to 5, 5 2 is equal to 10, 5 3 is equal to, what happened? So do you understand that I have also written that 5 ones are 5, 5 2 is equal to 10, 5 3 is equal to 15, 5 4 is equal to 20, and 5 5 is equal to 25. So you have to multiply with 5. So try to learn by heart the table of 5 so that you can understand the minutes. How can we understand the minutes? With the help of table of 5. Understand? Now I am working on half past and half to, means, and quarter past and quarter to, which is creating a lot of problem with kids. It is creating a lot of problem. Otherwise all other things are very easy. For example, I will make one more clock and then you will tell me the answer of this. Here you have another example that you can see. The small needle is on 8 and the big needle is on 12. Here the big needle is on 12 and here the big needle is on 2. So what we will write, how we will write in digital form? Can you please tell me how we will write in digital form? First tell me the time. The small needle is on 8 and the big needle is on 2. So what does it mean? What does it mean?
8. 10 8.
Small needle is on 8 and big needle is on 2. So first we will write
8
hours. So what hours it is? Hours is showing a small needle. So 8 is hours. So first we will write 8 and then we will write minutes. How many minutes are there? 10, because 2 means 5 2s are 10. Okay, so how we will write here in digital? Okay, 8